In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your PDF files if they're not opening like they should be in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is actually very easy, and as you can see here, I've got a PDF file inside of this file explorer, and if I double click on it currently, it's going to open in DuckDuckGo, which I don't want it to open in this. I want it to open in Microsoft Edge. So let's change it back. So to do that, and it is very simple, just go to the search bar on your computer and you need to head over to default apps. So you can just go and type in here default apps, and you can find it in system settings also, but if you just type default apps, it will open. Then go to where it says search apps and type in Edge. You're looking for Microsoft Edge. Click on that. You're then going to see set default. You're then looking here for PDF. So choose PDF, click on the box under it, and then you can just change it back to Microsoft Edge. Click set default, and now if you go ahead and open up your PDF files, as you can see, they're now going to open up in Edge, and that is all you have to do.